Hello, everyone. All right. So one another issue that is how to model on a different plane. Like we have three planes in a space, uh, like the XZ plane, XY plane, and the YZ plane. So these are three basic planes with a combination of two axes. But here you can see it's neither xz plane nor the yz or the xy. It's something different. So how you can model things that are out of plane? So what my approach is, let me just give you a very basic example. So I'm going to create a box, and let's say we have this box in our regular space, and which shares the three basic plane. Let's say we have something situation like this. So how we are going to model this on this surface? So that's very difficult, right? So if I just apply edit poly modify on top, so you can see I can just move if I want to move it in this direction parallel to the normal of this face. So if I want to move this, that's not going to happen. So what we can do is we can just copy the object, and instead of doing copy, we can just click on instance this object and make it something like this, or at any angle, maybe like this. And now if I go back to the original object and apply and start working on it and apply edit poly modifier straight on the top, and then if I want to just move this face uh, like this, so you can see I can now change or modify the object very easily that is out of plane. And if I want to even you know uh, insert a face or extrude it like this, so you can see that's very easy. So it's very difficult to work on this kind of an object, and it's very easy to work on this kind of, even if I just want to move the vertex, you can see I can just make it like this if I want to just move the edge or the vertex. So you can see everything is going on this object as well, because we have instanced that object.